Hi amazing people, welcome back. On today's video I'll be showing you how to make butter cookie. It's an easy peasy recipe. Main ingredients are butter, flour and sugar. You can use caster, granulated and powdered sugar. If you don't want the remaining ingredients you can skip, but if you use all, trust me to get a fluffy one. I'll be placing my 200 grams of room temperature butter and 140 grams of powdered sugar. I'll be bringing these two ingredients to a mix. I'll be mixing for about 3 to 4 minutes. In that way, I won't be over mixing because you do not want to over mix your dough. After 4 minutes, I'll be adding 2 egg yolks and 5 ml of vanilla extract and mix together. I'll be adding 2 cups of flour. You can use cake flour or all-purpose flour. I'll be dividing it into 2 to mix the first batch and add on later the rest because I don't want to put all at once to avoid a stressful job. I'll be adding 30 ml of room temperature milk. Don't make it hot, guys, just room temperature. It's good to go. I'll be transferring my dough into a cling paper and freeze in the freezer for 1 hour before baking. After freezing for an hour, line your baking tray with butter. Sprinkle a flour on the surface and roll out your dough. I'll be dividing mine into 2 so it will be easy for me to work with. I'll be using both sides of the cookie cutter to achieve 2 different types of shape.
the feeling of the weight of an opposite world? Do you feel lighter now that you're finally set free? Or does a part of your busted heart ever miss me? How does it feel to know that you won't be needing knowing? I wish I could be showing you all the ways I'm finally growing. If I said to cry, I would never know. Picture of a picture and you're missing home bit. Picture me and you without all this bullshit. Cause this fate is so unfair for it to so close now.
Ready to bake for 14 minutes on 180 degree. After 14 minutes, it's ready, guys, and it's yummy. If you try out this recipe, please do not forget to let me know in comment section. I'll be placing them on a rack to allow it cool down before storing in a cookie jar. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.